Hello everyone, welcome to this video, and in this video we're going to solve problems involving factoring. Let's have problem number one. The problem number one is, the area of a rectangular lot is 10x squared plus 19x plus 6 square meters, and the width of 2x plus 3. We need to find the length of the rectangular lot. Here is our solution for problem number one. First, we need to visualize now the rectangular lot where the area is 10x squared plus 19x plus 6 and a width of 2x plus 3. Emphasizing that, once again, the area is 10x squared plus 19x plus 6 and the width is 2x plus 3. Knowing that in a concept, area is equal to length times width. Now, using now the Xbox method, we multiply now the first term, which is 10x, and the last term, which is 6. So therefore, we have now 60x squared. We're going to get now the middle term, which is 19x. And now think of a factor of 60x squared, where the sum is 19x. Doing the trial and error, I find out that there is 15x times 4x. The product is 60x squared. And the sum of 15x and 4x is 19x. So therefore, we can now conclude, we can now have that and proceed to the box method. Now, in the box method, we have to do a 2 by 2 box, writing now the first term, which is 10x squared, and then the last term, which is 6. Now, writing now our factors, which is 15x and 4x here, we are now working with common factoring. So what's the common factor between 10x squared and 15x? The answer is 5x. While common factor 4x and 6, that is 2. Now going down, we have now 10x squared and 4x. The common factor is 2x. And for 15x and 6, the common factor is 3. Now, writing now the factors, which is 5x plus 2 times 2x plus 3, we need to check that by using the OI, or the outer and inner, in the process of FOIL. Now, the outer is multiplying 5x and 3 is equal to 15x. So, therefore, it's a confirmatory that we got it correctly. And the next part is the inner term, which is 2 times 2x. And the answer is 4x. So, we have a confirmatory inner x. And then lastly, when we add the products, 15x and 4x, the answer is 19x, which is a confirmatory of the middle term. Now, therefore, area is equal to length times width. We can say that 10x squared plus 19x plus 6 is equal to 5x plus 2 times 2x plus 3. Therefore, the length of the rectangular lot is 5x plus 2. Since we determined already, based on the given, that the width is 2x plus 3. So, therefore, the other factor is the length, which is 5x plus 2. Let's have another problem here. A box has a volume of 6x squared plus 39x plus 45 cubic feet and the height of 3 feet. So we need to find now the length and the width of the box. Let's have now the solution. So on the first problem, we have visualized. Now, however, in this problem, we're going to use now the concept of volume. So volume is equal to length times width times height because of the three-dimensional. Now, we know that the volume is 6x squared plus 39x plus 45. Then we have another given of the height, which is 3 feet. Now, we need to remove now the height from the formula of the volume to get now the area, which is 6x squared plus 39x plus 45 divided by 3. And we will have now our area. So our area now is 2x squared plus 13x plus 15. And from this, the area, we can get now, which is what we need to find out, which is the length and the width. Since it is in a quadratic form or in the power of 2 as the highest degree, we can use here the Xbox method. So, the Xbox method will start with this one. Let's multiply now the first term and the last term of the term, which is 30x squared. And then now getting now the middle term and putting that at below of the x. Now, we need to think of a factor of 30x squared that the sum is 13x. After doing the trial and error, what I found out is that 10x times 3x is 30x squared, and the sum of 10x and 3x is 13x. So we can now proceed with the box method. Now, writing now once again your first term here, and then writing now the last term here, and the factors that we got, which is 10x and 3x here. Now, after writing those things, we can now do the factoring, which is what are the common factor of 2x squared and 10x, that is 2x, and common factor of 3x and 15, which is 3. Now going down, we have now 2x squared and 3x. What we find out is that the common factor is x. And for 10x and 15, the common factor is 5. Now, let's rewrite now our factors, which is 2x plus 3 times x plus 5. Now, we need to check the outer and inner so that we'll check if our answers are correct. So, first thing is that you multiply now the outer term, which is 2x and 5. So, 2x times 5, that will be 10x, which is a confirmatory of the factor that we got there. Another 3 times x, which is 3x, it's a confirmatory of the other factor that we got on the x method, x part of the xbox method. And then, we add up now 10x and 3x, so is equal to 13x, which is our middle term. That confirms that our answer is correct. Now, going back to the idea of area is equal to length times width, area is 2x squared plus 13x plus 15. So, we can rewrite that the area has a factor of 2x plus 3 times x plus 5. Therefore, the length and the width are 2x plus 3 and x plus 5 respectively, where the length is 2x plus 3 and the width is x plus 5. Thank you for watching this video. Have a great day, everyone.